All right, you guys, here we are, August 13th, 2023, Treetop Trail at the Minnesota Apple Valley. It's a mile and a quarter, it's highest walking trail, I guess. It used to be the monorail, so as you can see. What? Yeah, but it's right up here. All right. So we walk up here, and it starts up here on the top of the hill, and you can see lots of people walking around. So it used to be the monorail, and here at the Apple Valley Zoo, and where we go? It's really cool. Treetop Trail. There we go. So, cruise along here. You did a nice job.
How much this is?
How much?
$5.35.
Are you serious?
I'm not kidding.
Wow. So here it is. This is what? You go this way. It's a one big circle, so you can see that's wheelchair accessible. Everything else. We've seen George for the Delaware Destroyers here, and Chris Isaac, and did we see Melissa here? No. So you can see. Used to be the monorail that used to take everybody around. Yeah. So it's a very spread out, lovely and talented zoo. So. So, kind of nice. You can hang out here. Yep. Very nice. I guess they have a dinosaur, exhibit or something, I guess. The lady told me. Look at that. Very nice. Goes over to here. What? Can't believe that. I can't believe they have that in a can. Oh, I see. But it's a beautiful day to be out here on the 13th day of August 2023. It's gorgeous. When this comes out in February, there'll be snow everywhere. But all kinds of stuff over there. Tons of people out here. What was it take us? 20 bucks each, or what was it? 22 each. With parking too as well. So oh, there's no crying. No crying in the trail. So. Remember Virginia Beach? When all those turtles, remember that? We're down there?
Oh wow.
It looks like a jungle, doesn't it? Treetop Trail. Used to be the monorail. This is a great thing they did. Yep. I think this has revitalized the zoo. Would you not agree? It's a mile on a quarter.
You could never do anything. You could never see anything. I mean, we can stop here, and if we want to hang out for 5 minutes,
correct.
We can, as opposed to that stupid monorail.
Yeah, it's a mile and a quarter. It's the highest walking trail, I guess. But I still like that one when we went to the reptile place in Myrtle Beach.
Mm-hmm.
Take a picture.
Yeah, smile.
There you go.
Move over.
This way or that way?
That way.
I'll take a picture. There you go.
Got to commemorate the occasion.
Oh, we'll have one. Okay.
$5 fucking bucks.
Yeah, $5?
No.
Five effing dollars. So yeah, this is just a gorgeous day. You can't ask for any more than this, man. It's
how hot it would be out here if the full sun was
right.
out.
Because yesterday when I did you guys saw the trail. walking on the light rail, it was 87, 85. Poor choice with no water. So, and yep, they got food trucks down here. Look at that.
Nice. This is the way now. I mean, that's what everything is now. Food trucks.
Yep, food trucks.
Too bad we had. What did we do yesterday? There was down in Egan.
Yeah.
It was the Egan Food Truck Festival.
Oh, really?
They must have had, or that was Friday. That was Friday. That's right, because we couldn't go because you got home so late.
Right.
Wherever you were. But they were like all lined up in this park.
Just kind of like we were in Washington, D.C. It's like we were in Washington, D.C. Remember that? In Washington, D.C. that one time? They had a whole bunch there. There they are. More water over here, so nice by the yard. So I think it's more of a, you can kind of tell. It's solid. This stuff is that stuff we have on our deck, I think. So, what kind of critters in that? It's kind of a cool little lake.
There's no way they could do wood.
No.
They'd be replacing it all.
Correct. There's the amphitheater right over here, you guys.
Oh, yep. So good.
It's a great place for a concert. If you're ever in town, don't let fear monger you.
If they're still doing them.
Yep.
I don't know if they're doing them.
That's kind of a cool little.
The tigers.
Yep. So that's the amphitheater over there, right over here. You really can't see the stage, but maybe you can. But we've seen George Thorogood here. We saw Chris Isaac. I know she's played here one time. I don't think we saw her. But you can, no matter where you sit down there, it's a great seats. Last time we saw George, we were literally right there, but you're so close.
We figured out where to sit too.
Yep. See that over there? No tigers.
I don't see any tigers. You can feel this thing moving.
Here, kitty. So you can kind of see over here.
That's pretty awesome.
So it's 1.25 miles. They just got it done this year. Yep. Where?
Way over there.
Okay.
Way over there.
Oh, that way over there. Yep, way over there. Yep.
He's sleeping.
Yep. So there's your right on the stage. So we've been down there before.
Yep.
So it's a really nice sample.
2 rows up.
Yep. Right. So you have different, you can get on different places here. Treetop Trail, the Minnesota Treetop Trail at the Minnesota Zoo. Apple Valley. More over here. Couldn't ask for a better day. Cloud cover. We gotta get around these people real quick. Dun 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 dun. Over there, all kinds of stuff. We have another zoo in St. Paul, Como Park Zoo. That's nice. So you can tell you can get on from any spot, wheelchair, whatever you need. So when they have the concert, usually come in from this way. And you come over here, and they usually have all the stuff down here, like the bands will have all their memorabilia down here. But you can tell, tons of people coming this way. We just built this. Oh, you got some caribou over there. Over there. So. So that's where they have all your people that come for the stuff. So what? I saw that. Yeah, I saw them. They're right down there. Look at those things down there. Holy moly. But anyways. Yep. There they are. The big one. Yep.
Oh, he laid down. It must be challenging to lay down.
You bet. All right, guys. Here's the first one. So. Yep. But all right. See you next one.